Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto blocker on the Samsung Galaxy A05. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Auto Blocker and wait for the search results to appear. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Auto Blocker option from the search results and tap on it. Choose the Auto Blocker option again. Unfortunately, this option is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the Auto Blocker option to turn it on. Your phone will automatically block potential threats and suspicious activities, keeping your device safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.